Hello everyone, welcome to Amber Marie and Company Year in Review. We're going to go back over the last year, see some shenanigans that we got into and things we did. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, and the question of the video is,
what was your favorite Amber Marie and Company moment of this year? We want to hear from you, so leave a comment and let us know. So let's dive into it. It was quite an eventful year.
Yeah, great things happened.
Great things happened this year, that's right. A lot of you don't know this because I haven't really talked about it publicly, but last year at this time, I went to the doctor and I had this extreme pain in my lung and it was not going to be getting better. So that rocked our whole world. You know, when you get news like that, the first thing you do is you look towards
you pray.
Your source.
Yeah.
That's right. Anyways, we could talk about that in depth more at another time, but it did. It shook our world. It made us rely on, each other, on our faith quite a bit. I couldn't have done it. I couldn't have made it through January and February without my mama. She was my rock for sure. And then I had the opportunity to repay her.
In July, when I had my knee surgery and had a knee replacement, Amber was there for me. Her and her dad, they were fabulous.
She was such a trooper too, and all the physical therapy. So, I don't want this to sound like this is a year in review health issue.
No.
What we learned through this year is just the reliance on family, the reliance on your faith, and what that means. So a month later, we find out that a home that we absolutely have adored and loved, that's just blocks away from our Utica Square store, is
for sale.
And it's like the perfect dream home.
Amber and I drive around a lot looking at houses, and when we found this house, we were driving through the neighborhood, and I kept saying, I can't believe this. God can change things on a dime so fast.
It's true.
That when He works, He gets with it.
He does. That's right. I want this home. I want to share this. Like, we share that love for that home together. And so then we just started dreaming and thinking, it's beautiful. It's move-in ready. There's not much we have to do to it. And think about how we can decorate it
for Christmas.
Yes.
Amber Marie style.
So
what the heck?
So
yes.
Amber Marie Manor.
All right, do we all have our glasses? Mom, you want to do the toast? Let's gather around.
Like I said, 1 month to the next month.
It's also put into perspective because we know that we couldn't have gotten that house without you guys.
Absolutely not. That's the truth.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's move into the Mad Hatter.
We had some pretty cool store events. We have the Mad Hatter.
Oh, that was so much fun.
Mom was the Mad Hatter. She made a pretty good Mad Hatter too.
I had red hair and a red wig on.
Everybody dressed up at the store as an Alice in Wonderland character. We had a tea party at our Utica Square location. It was so much fun. The windows looked amazing.
Yeah.
The store looked amazing. And then at South, we had the birthday bash.
We did.
South's birthday is like April Fool's technically. So we always try to do something fun at our South location. If you guys don't know, we have 2 retail locations in Utica Square in Tulsa and once in South Tulsa.
Right.
So we had the birthday bash and we do a tent outside.
Oh, we had good food, great giveaways, swag bags. It was a lot of fun, and we had so many people.
Winston's birthday in the store. We had Jeff from the Round Top collection come.
We did, and he signed pumpkins and put bows on them. It was so much fun. Everybody just loved him.
We learned so much just about Round Top, about how to put things together. Really interesting things happened to us on social media. Like, you went viral for her hot cocoa.
Does that mean
recipe.
virus?
No, viral. It's different. No coughing. We were on the Out and About podcast.
Oh, from New York. We did a live, and they saw some of our employees, and we talked to them, and that was fun.
That also just shows you Amber Marie and Company, our brand, our family of employees, like, for them to be troopers and to do videos where they, in some way are like in jest make fun of their own selves of, I love the store, I work here, but I also support the store because I shop here.
That was fun.
Yeah.
And our employees were so cute when they did it. In fact, they did 2 because
they were troopers.
Half of them didn't get to do it, and the other half wanted to do it.
Yeah, that's
so
right.
we did 2 of them. And that everybody loved that video.
Fashion had several special events too. We had some trunk shows that were amazing. We did a makeup event.
We did. That was
Estee
fun.
Lauder, which was awesome. People could come in and have their makeup and their colors done. Gang day kickoff event, tailgate party where we had cheerleaders. We had
Pistol Pete was there.
Drum line. Like
Drum
it
line.
was
Yeah, it was
fun.
great.
But you know, that's part of Amber Marie Company. It's creating those experiences.
Yeah, that's what's happy and fun.
Having fun. That's
And
exactly
inviting our community in to share it with us. Giving back has always been at the heart of Amber Marie and Company. This year with Sip and Shop events, coat drives, we were able to give back to our community, and our community showed up for all of our events. It was amazing.
And they just show their generosity.
They do. They do.
We partnered with so many organizations. I mean, I don't know if you guys know, but at Amber Marie and Company, any organization can sign up for a Sip and Shop, and we'll donate 20% of our sales.
They're always wanting to do fundraisers, and we say, we've got an idea.
So we have Sip and Shops. We did a coat drive through fashion. During Winston's birthday party, we had a drive for one of our local pet shelters, animal shelters, where if you gave to Winston for his birthday, we actually in turn gave that to our local shelters, which is huge. We also worked with the Folds of Honor Foundation, which is
I love that one.
foundation, but it's centered here in
Owasso.
That was a month-long partnership.
That is for scholarships for veterans' children. And it's one of my favorites because we put flags out in front of the store, and it just looks so great.
And it means a lot to us because our family is a family of veterans.
That's true.
Thank you for partnering with us and giving us the ability to partner with these amazing charities and local events. It means the world because small business is the backbone of the community.
We look forward to 2026 and these amazing partnerships with our community and with a lot of great organizations. One of the things I love about Amber Marie and Company is it's always changing. There's always something new happening. Every season we tear the store apart and build it back up. We change the windows. We love all the different holidays and the seasons. I love spring, I love fall, I love summer, and I love Christmas.
I mean, if you've seen Amber Marie and Company at Christmas time, you have to come in and see what we do during the spring.
That's right.
Spring and summer, it's beautiful. It's a new magical wonderland, literally.
It is.
Yeah, and we hope
it's more than just bunnies and eggs.
Yeah, we hope to inspire you every season and show you what magic
is possible.
Yeah, what we can create and what you can create in your home. What did you want to talk about? There was something else.
Our trip. So this year we had planned for 2 years to take this trip because my dad was born in Czechoslovakia and I've always wanted to go all my life. And the opportunity came up for us to go to Czechoslovakia and to Hungary and to Germany and to Austria on a trip.
It was an adventure.
Oh, it was so nice and so much fun. It just made me feel closer to my dad and my family, and I just loved it. Here comes the Super Bowl of Amber Marie and Company. Christmas.
That's literally where we get the phrase, it's not done till it's overdone.
That's
and
true.
If y'all have seen any of our previous videos, hopefully this isn't the first Amber Marie video that you're seeing here on YouTube. There's nothing like the Super Bowl of retail, which would be Christmas season. Christmas has a very special meaning to us because it is all about the birth of our Lord and Savior, but we celebrate that in a big way.
We do.
Like, we do birthdays big and we celebrate Christmas big because it is the birth of Christ.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, the most wonderful time of the year.
It is.
Oh my gosh. Well, we had a great and amazing Christmas season. The stores were beautiful. They were packed with people. People were getting inspired and wanting to decorate, and we sold out of so many things. Every year, we started this tradition where we have an official Amber Marie and Company ornaments.
We do.
So it's beautiful, hand painted, it's gorgeous. So if you didn't get your Amber Marie ornament, I think there were just a couple left.
So we take a lot of time to design it, pick the colors and what we're going to say on it, and then we ship it in from Poland just for you.
This year we also did the install at the Duck Club again, which turned out beautiful.
We did the teardown of the Duck Club
Yep.
in January, and without the teardown, it wouldn't be as beautiful as it is now, because our guys worked so hard on that teardown, and we packed it so well.
4 days worth of work done in 2.
Yes, we got it done quick. Everybody who goes just can't believe how fabulous it is, and that makes us happy because we're spreading so much happiness and cheer all over Tulsa. Not only Tulsa, but also tell them where you went.
Oh, this year I had the honor of getting to decorate at the White House, which was so humbling. It was quite an amazing experience, and we have a video of all about that as well. So what a fantastic year. I mean, just looking at where it started and
where it ended.
Full circle, all the way, yes, to where it ended. Like, what a year of blessing, really. Mom and I learned a lot this year. We learned some big lessons that we didn't even know we needed to learn.
That's the truth. That's the truth.
We learned some things that we had no idea about. So that happened this year as well. So, I mean, you know, this year was a year of growth. We grew in our friendships and our business associates throughout the community.
You know, when you think back about January and where we started, coming all the way through to December and Amber getting to go to the White House, it was like God smiled and gave us a little wink and said, it's going to be okay.
I got you, girl. And we couldn't have done it without each other.
No, we couldn't have. We couldn't have Amber Marie and Company without our absolutely fabulous employees.
Oh, we have the best team.
I can't tell you how great they are and how much they mean to us.
Oh, how much they mean to us, and knowing how much they love you.
That's true.
Is heartwarming to us, because, you know, they are an extension of the love that we have for the product, the love that we have for one another.
And it starts at the warehouse. I mean, that's kind of the foundation of the whole company, is the product coming into the warehouse, all the people at the warehouse packing and marking and distributing it to the stores. And then after that foundation come the stores and all of the people who make it work.
Without that amazing team, without our generals running, keeping everybody in line, Amber Marie Company wouldn't be what it is. So thank you to our amazing employees and to our creative people, who are some behind the camera and some that are working in the stores right now working on Christmas displays. Thank you to the website pullers and pickers.
Oh, yes.
And to the packers.
Those girls and guys are amazing.
To the delivery truck guys.
Yes.
Guys that get up early in the morning and deliver products to all the stores.
They do.
And to our amazing team who puts all the products out and displays it so beautifully and makes creative things, all the way to our salespeople, our marketing team, everybody. Thank you so much for a great year, for your hard work and your dedication to Amber Marie Company. It's huge.
You're the best.
So happy New Year's to you. We're going to toast a cheers to a wonderful 2025.
Even more fabulous 2026.
Cheers.
Cheers.